Solana might as well continue to the moon, so if you're holding any Solana, make sure you stick around until the end of the video to find out what we're talking about, so I can give you an analysis, an in-depth analysis on this project. As you already know, it's your co-host Mate, and today we are doing exactly that, giving in-depth analysis on Solana, on its future. As you already know, we can see the bull market is right around the corner. Even today, on Christmas Day, the market is not slowing down, as we can see a lot of coins up significantly. Axie Infinity up 30%, Stacks up 10%, Quant up almost 16%. A coin we cover a lot on this channel, as you already know. We can see Gala up, Ordi up 35%, Stats up 34%, and so on and so on. So we can see a lot of coins are a huge hit on the market at the moment. Solana is up 2.3%, but as we already know, Solana did huge profits for the week. As we can see, weekly up almost 64%. And that is huge. We can see it here on the daily chart, on the daily candles, on trading view. Solana is up from $77 to 120, almost 118, only in a couple of days, right? And this makes huge gains from this point to this point. As we can see, the upwards line is crazy, especially from here, kind of is just going up and up. So what is the future of Solana technically? How do we look at it? Well, I draw the Fibonacci here, and as we can see from the down to here, how it was moving, kind of the lines, which are perfectly correlating with what is going on here. And if we are to judge if Solana kind of breaks this line over here, which it tested once, it will go into this field. And now it is expected that in this field, Solana will spend some time. I project Solana to be around 150 for some time, maybe going around this line here, which is not a huge surprise if you are holding Solana and investigating this project for a long time. Again, this is not financial advice, do your research, but if you are holding Solana, you know that Solana can be heading up to its all-time high, ATH, which is 250 if I'm not wrong, and that's where Solana is heading right now. And I'll make a bold claim over here, and I will say that if Bitcoin goes back to its ATH, Solana will go back to $500. Not even go back, surpass its ATH by 2 times. Now it's an outrageous claim at the moment, but looking at Solana's chart is not looking impossible, as it is growing a lot more than other coins, other top 10 coins if I might say as well. As we can see on the coin market cap page, Solana is currently number 4. It surpassed BNB, and if I'm not wrong, also XRP in market cap, and in this moment it's just dominating with the market cap. It is almost 50 billion, which is absolutely crazy. But right now the ceiling for Solana is only Ethereum and nothing else, right? Solana has always been striving to get Ethereum, to reach Ethereum, and right now is looking very possible with their new project as well, and their ecosystem is dominating the market. Also, we saw what happened to Bonk, also Samoyed coin, a lot of tokens from the Solana ecosystem blowing up, and that's why Solana has the potential as well. And we can see it here, yeah, only a couple days. If you open it on the 4-hour candles, we can also see kind of the growth and also how it was moving into these lines. Perfectly matches everything. The Fibonacci is, as you know, everywhere in the nature. That's why I chose it as well for this chart. And now I want to show you the Bitcoin as well, because Solana is heavily reliant on Bitcoin. As we know, all top 10 coins are. Solana as well, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, all are very reliant on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is looking very good in the moment. As we can see, Bitcoin has its ups and downs every single day, but that's only because a lot of people are looking to put their profits from Bitcoin into other projects, mainly like Solana. As we saw, Solana had the highest price out of any top 10 coin, so mainly Solana. And also Bitcoin is going up significantly, as we can see. First it was going up in this tunnel, up and down, and then it broke, and now it is heading into this one, still in the middle of it, undecisive kind of, even though the last candle is pointing green, hopefully going upwards. I draw the 50,000 line as the next kind of resistance for Bitcoin, so we will see if it actually breaks that one. If it does, I think Bitcoin is free to go upwards, heading back to 67k as it once was, bringing all the crypto market back as it once was. Now I don't know if all the coins will be back as Bitcoin and Solana, but I project Solana to go back even more, maybe even in the next year or two go to $1,000, which is not very outrageous to say at this moment. As you already saw, the rise is here. If it just keeps this way, it's here around the corner. And again, I'm very enthusiastic about this project. If it goes up to 1,000, this is almost a 10x. Even from here, for a top 4 project, for a top 4 crypto coin to say it can make a 10x in this short period of time, it's very outrageous. And Solana is allowing me to do that by its current movement. And yeah, compared to Bitcoin, Solana is making crazy gains, even though Bitcoin is as well up 2 times from what it was when it started. Solana is up 10x from what it started. As we can see, it started from $12 some time ago, and it is up $12 over here, and now it is currently at 114, moving up and down around 115, testing the line a couple times. And yeah, if it breaks out from 118, it is free play in this field, and then the next resistance line is up at $184. So that is the future of Solana for the short term. Kind of this field, I can project it. If Bitcoin tomorrow goes up to 44.5, maybe 45k, Solana will as well go over that line and start moving into this field here, where I don't think it will go back here again, as I truly believe that Solana is just going upwards in the crypto market in general. If we are considering that today is Christmas and a lot of people are looking to sell so they can buy presents as well, they're not active on the crypto market, they're not buying, they're not investing because they're on family dinners. So considering it is Christmas, I'm very confident about this market. I'm very happy with it if we look at what is going on Christmas Day, and it's actually crazy. And now if you compare kind of Bitcoin with the S&P 500, as we can see here, I've not done the analysis on S&P 500, but it is going up as well, not looking to stop anytime soon, which is always good. Kind of S&P 500 is the thing that is paving the way for Bitcoin to move as well, as Bitcoin is paving the way for every other crypto. And mainly the S&P 500 is always an indicator of how the financial situation in the world is standing in the moment. So make sure you always look at that. Even though you're not investing into a stock market, you're investing into crypto, make sure you check S&P 500 always. So now we know that Bitcoin is in an uptrend, Solana is in a huge uptrend. We saw the lines, we saw kind of the movement for some time. I project 152 be the next average for Solana for some time, maybe for the next 2-3 weeks. I project after New Year's a huge Solana boom again, as well as Quant boom, which I've seen Quant as well boom now recently, and also a Bitcoin boom. I project Bitcoin in the next 2 to 3 weeks to exceed the 50,000 line and then head onwards to its ATH back again where it belongs. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and as always, do your research and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss any future updates on your favorite token. That was all for today, and peace.